All right, welcome guys. Okay, so for those who will be watching later this live, um, so let me give some insight to you guys. So today we will be learning about similar shapes. All right, guys, we will be learning about similar shapes. Okay, so let's first understand what do we mean by similar shapes. Okay, before that, let me handle this. Okay, now, all right, should be working now. Should be working now. All right, so before we talk about similar triangles, let's understand what do we mean by similar shapes, guys. Let's say I have the word similar here, the word similar here. So this is the sign that we'll be using for similar in any polygons, all right? So let's say, for example, I have A, B, C, all right? I have triangle A, B, C, and a triangle D, E, F here, right? I have triangle D, E, F here, all right? Now, if I say that my triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, all right, DEF, so what does it mean? So it means that our angle A will be congruent to angle D, right? So here I've put it right here. So this angle will be equal to this angle always, all right? Now next, our angle B will be equal to angle E, stated from here. So the second one is B, the second one here is E, right? And finally, our angle F will be equal to angle C, right guys? So the third angle will be equal to the third angle. And for triangles to be similar to each other, all right? So we also have to know that the the sides, right? The sides of each triangle, the congruent side will also be in proportional. So our AB over DE, right? Our AB over DE will be equal to AC over DF, AC or DF, and this will be equal to CB over FE. All right, guys. So let's think about it this way. So we have AB will be equal to DE or will be in proportional, right? So AB over DE will be equal to AC over DF, right? And this will be equal to CB over FE. So whichever way you go in a triangle in the first triangle, the second triangle, it will be the same. So for example, here, so let's say, let me write this down again. So triangle ABC is congruent or is similar to triangle DEF, right? So if I go from the first to second, in the second triangle also I have to go from the first to second, all right? Now, if I go from the second to third, in the second triangle also I have to go from second to third, all right, guys? So let's keep that in mind, all right? Now, knowing this, let us solve some questions. Let us solve some questions. Okay? Solve. Oh, here we go. Let us go to this question. Let's go to this question first, right? It seems like a nice question. Right? This seems like a nice question. Okay. So first of all, what we will be doing, guys, is we will be writing the triangles first, all right? So think about it this way. In this one, we are going from no angle, so we don't have any arc here. So we are going from no arc to one arc to two arcs. So we are going from triangle A, which is no arc, going to one arc and then the two arc. Now in the second one, we'll do the same. So no arc is D, right? One arc is E, and two arcs is F. So now we have written down the similar triangle, all right? So we know that our angle A will be equal to angle D, right? Our angle B will be equal to angle E, and our angle C will be equal to angle F, right, guys? So these two will be same for sure. Now also, so now let's see what we have here. So first, let's go ahead and find A, right? We have to go ahead and find A right here. I have to go ahead and find A. So let's write down our equation. So we have BA right? So BA, meaning we're going from the second to the first. Similarly, we'll do the same in the second triangle. So over ED, right? Over ED is equal to, right? Is equal to, so we are going BA over ED is equal to AC over, so we went from the first to the third, and similarly here also we go from the first to the third over DF. There you go, guys. So now let's write the value of it. So BA is A, right? So A over 5, ED is 5 from right here, right? Is equal to AC is 2 over DF is 4. Right? So now we can solve for our A by cross multiplying, right? So 4 multiplied with A is equal to 2 multiplied with 5, right, guys? So 4A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 over 4, which is equal to 2.5, right? Which is equal to 2.5. Guys, now let's go and find the value of E now, right? So let me write this down. So we know that our A is 2.5. 2.5. We have found A now. Now let's go ahead and find E now. Similarly, let's do it this way. So we are going from AB over, so we went first to second. In the second one also, we'll go first to second, right? So over DE is equal to, so we went like AB over DE is equal to BC over, so we went like this, BC second to third. Here also we'll go from second to third over EF, right, guys? Now let's write it down. We know that our AB is 2.5, so let's write as 2.5 over DE is 5, right? Is equal to BC is E over EF is 6, right? Is equal to 6. Now let's cross multiply. 6 times, let's use the multiplication formula. 6 times 2.5 is equal to 5 times E, right? So 6 times 2.5 divided by 5 is equal to E. Now we can simplify 1 and 2, and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, our value of E is equal to 3. Alright, guys, our value of E is equal to 3. Now, let me go and maybe give me some time. Let me go and share my video. Let me go and share my video on my social media sites. Alright, so let's do this. Share the link. Let's go right here. Let's go. Let me take this out. This was the old post. Right, guys? This was the old post. Let me write something down. So, free maths class live, right? Free maths class live. Topic similar triangles. Yes, topic similar triangle. And here is the link. Here is the link. Right? Let me share that. Let it reload. Let it reload. And there we go. Boom. Let me post it so people can come and join the class. I also see some students commented here. Let me go right here. Post it so some students can join, right? So some students can join. Let me go to Peter. Hey Peter. Peter Troni, I guess. Let me reply. There we go. And I think that should be it. Okay, now let's go to question number 2, guys. Let us go to question number 2. There we go. This is a good question also. Alright, this is also a good question. Here we go. So step number 1, guys. Think about it. What do you think we should do first? What do you think we should do first? Alright, let's see. What do you think we should do first? Okay. Now, for those of you who are watching the live later on, just comment below what you learned, and comment below if you have any question. Okay, comment below, and share it with your friends if you can, and press the like button. Okay. Alright, now first of all, guys, like the previous one, we are going to name our triangle. So we're going to go from no arc to one arc to two arcs. Yes, no arc to one arc to two arcs. So triangle A B C is congruent to triangle. No arc is X, one arc is Y, two arcs is Z. Okay, guys, two arcs is Z. There we go. Two arcs is Z. Alright, so we have to find, let's go ahead and find the first value now, which is X. Yes, we have to find the value X. So let's write the congruent sides. So we have AB, right? AB over XY. And why is it XY? Because we went from the first to second. Here also we'll go from the first to second. It's as simple as that. Is equal to, right? Is equal to AC, because we know the value of AC, right? So we're going to choose AC over AC is going from the first to third. Here also we'll go from the first to third, which is XZ, right? Which is XZ. XZ. So let's write down what we know. Our AB is X. So X over 9 is equal to 8 over our XZ is 15. Alright guys, does that make sense? XZ is 15. Now let's cross multiply. So 15 multiplied by X is equal to 9 multiplied with 8, right? 9 multiplied with 8. So X is equal to 9 times 8 over 15, right guys? 9 times 8 over 15. Now what can simplify? 9 will change to 3, 15 will change to 5, yes, it will change to 5. Now we have 24 divided by 5, right? 24 divided by 5, which should give us, I think, it should give us 4.8 if not mistaken. Let's do that again. 24 over 5, 4.8, that's right. I am not mistaken. It is 4.8, right? 4.8. Now let's go to the next one. So we know our x is 4.8, right? Our x is 4.8. Very good, guys. 4.8. Now let's go to the next one. We got to find y here, right? So y is BC. So BC is going from the second to third. So BC over YZ is equal to, let's say, AC over XZ. Alright, guys. AC or XZ. So we know our BC is Y. So Y over YZ is 15, right? YZ is 15 is equal to, oh, wait a second here, guys. In the previous one, this was XZ, right? XZ is 12. I wrote it as 15. Let me redo it. Our XZ is 15, right? I mean, 12. So this should be 12. Yeah, this should be 12. So let's do that again. So 12 times x is equal to 8 times 9. Yes. So x is equal to 8 times 9 over 12. So let's simplify it. This will change to 3. This will change to 4. So we have 24 over 4, which is equal to 6. So this is equal to 6, right, guys? Alright, let's continue in the second one. So now AC is 8 over our x z again is equal to 12. So we have y times 12 is equal to 8 times 15. Y is equal to 120 over 12. Yes, 120 over 12. So therefore y is equal to 10. There we go. Y is equal to 10. There we go, guys. Our value of y is equal to 10. Right? Not that difficult. Not that difficult at all. Alright, if you guys are watching here, please type something down so I can know you guys are here. Right? If you guys are here, type something down. So that will be the 2 questions that I want to do for you guys for today. Okay, tomorrow I've prepared many questions. I'll give you some. So we have all of these questions that I want to do with you guys in the next couple of days. We'll do it together. All right, guys. So tomorrow we'll go live again. So it is. I'll probably go maybe 4:30. All right, 4:30 p.m. Um, Thailand Bangkok time. All right, Thailand Bangkok time. All right, guys. So that will all be for today. Hope you guys have a nice Friday. All right. Hope you guys have a nice Friday, and I will end